Hello and welcome to Car and Tech Bros. Today we have a Renault Twingo. This is my own car, it's 2008 model. And today we will talk a little bit about the car, but we want to ask a question. Do you really need a sports car or really fast car to go fast and to drive enthusiastically? Not to go fast as such, but to drive enthusiastically and to experience pure driving. So we will try to answer that question today. Just let this car drive through so you can hear me. Okay. As I said, this is my own car. I have it for 5 years now, and as you can see, the car is in okay shape. It is a bit up here and there, but overall it is in very nice shape. I will show you the engine now. As I said, this is not a fast car. The engine is only 1.2 liters, but it doesn't have any oil leaking. It is very sturdy engine, and it was a really smooth sailing in the past. I had only oil changes and nothing more, so the car is in absolutely was a peach to own and to experience. We will go for a drive and we will talk a little bit more about the car. Okay, so we are going a bit uphill. So as you can see, the car doesn't have a much power, so it will not go uphill very fast. But when we reach the top, we will see what the car can do. So we have a bit of corners here. Let's go down a gear. And we will try to, if you want to drive this type of car enthusiastically, you shouldn't brake as much when you go into the corner, and you will not be accelerated if you step on the throttle out of the corner. So it will not accelerate in a high manner, so as like a Porsche or something like that. But when we go a bit faster and we go up to speed, the car will flow. We will try to catch that flow of the car and catch that rhythm, and the car will be, I hope so, pretty good. So we need to go down a gear, and as you can see, we go uphill, so the car doesn't have very much power. It's only 75 horsepower, remember that, but the car doesn't have much mass. So if you do this, the car will respond immediately. So we have another turn, and we will just keep the throttle steady, and we will try to make up this hill. So I will release the throttle a little bit to load the front tires, and I will step on the throttle like here. Now down the gear. Let's go another turn. And we're on top of the hill. We will go downhill. So when we go downhill, we need to be aware of the brakes. Now uphill, because the engine is not very powerful, we need to be a mind of engine, not to overheat the engine, not to overstress the engine. But downhill we need to, and when the asphalt is not in good condition like today, we need to be very aware of that. So I will go here, and now in my lane. And when you have a mat, it's easy for car to lose control, so you need to load the front tires much sooner than when it's a dry asphalt. We will do this when the weather becomes nicer, but today we also can experience this car almost full, because the car doesn't have a high ceiling. We can experience it like 80 or 90%. So if I go here and I trail brake into the corner, I can, you see that rocks, I can avoid that rocks and stabilize the car immediately almost. So, because the car is very small, and the car is very light, and it changes the directions beautiful. In some heavier car, maybe it wouldn't be so exhilarating to drive because you have a high mass, but here you can brake, and when you turn in, the car will immediately turn into the corner. So I will brake, and it's very easy to do a ref match in this car. So I will accelerate, I will brake, I will turn, I will trail brake. We will talk about trail braking in the future videos. And I can accelerate, and it is almost same amount of fun as any car. So you just need to learn your car, to learn how the car responds to your inputs, not to overstress the car, overstress the components, and you will have absolutely amazing time in any car. So to have a conclusion about this driving, every car can be fun if you learn how the car will respond to your inputs, not to overstress it, not to overstep its boundaries, and just go and have fun. Just go and drive. And I'll see you in the next video. If you like this, share and subscribe, and check our other videos. We have also a Mazda MX-5 that we will have many more videos with it.